Grade 10 English. Listening and speaking.
Unit 5, Trains. People travel for various reasons. Some go on a business trip, some on a pilgrimage, some on vacation, while some others just to do some sightseeing. No matter what your reason is, it is always wise to have a neat travel plan. Here are 4 travel tips. Tip number 1, Purpose. You must be very clear of the purpose of your travel, because your purpose will help you decide the right choice of transportation. For example, if you plan to see a lot within a short span of time, then, a fast means of transport will suit you. But if your purpose is to broaden your horizons, then a bit slower means of transport should be fine. Tip number 2, Budget. How much money are you prepared to spend? This will help you decide the type of transport you should take. For instance, with a small budget and plenty of time, coach should be your choice. On the other hand, with a fat budget and lots of time, expensive cruise or train trip would certainly suit you. Tip number 3, Length of your stay. The more time you have, the slower your travel can be. For instance, if you are visiting Europe and seeing 5 cities in 10 days, high-speed trains should be your choice. However, if your plan is to visit those same 5 cities in a month, then you could save money by taking the coach or renting a car. Tip number 4, Traveling companions and luggage. The more the companions, the more the pieces of luggage will be. And if there are going to be kids traveling along with you, their comfort and endurance will need to be considered, and this, in turn, will help you make the right choice of transport. In such a case, a rental car or a caravan should be your choice.
Thanks for watching.